Hello everyone, it is Karen Coffey and I am the owner and founder of Making Agents Wealthy. Not mediocre, not poor, but wealthy. And I am so excited to see you guys at the Florida Association of Realtors trade show in August. What am I going to be talking about? My experience, my systems, what was created several years ago when I was homeless living in a basement and realized if I didn't come up with something, I was going to be destitute for many, many years. So one of my mentors asked me one time, she said, Karen, are you a hoe or are you a beau? And I thought, well, that didn't sound good. But what she meant by that was, are you a hobby owner or are you a business owner? So I want to give you the tips that you can implement right away from the talks that I'm going to be having at the association. What does that look like? How to make $100K in your first 100 days in a brand new market if that is your case. Or how to finish off the year in just under $500,000. All of these things came to me. I was very blessed to have the inspiration and the fortitude and the people in my life to create that kind of wealth in a short amount of time. You know, there's a saying I always say, it takes as long as you give it. If you give it a year, it'll take a year. If you give it 6 months, it'll take 6 months. I'm inviting you to join me at my breakout sessions where I actually teach you how to do it in 12 weeks' time. Crazy, I know. But I cannot wait. I'm honored to be speaking and cannot wait to meet you in person. So meet me there in Orlando in August. Can't wait to see you.